My name is André Leu, and currently I am the International Director of Regeneration International. We're an organisation that's involved in regenerating agriculture, and particularly to do with increasing soil organic matter to both mitigate and adapt for climate change, but also to regenerate our communities, our farming systems, our environment and our democracy. Agriculture at the moment faces incredible challenges, and the industrialisation of agriculture has been the biggest disaster for agriculture. We are currently losing millions of farmers. And when you look at our sector, the organic biodynamic sector, we are growing farmers. We're against the trend. More and more farmers are taking up organic and biodynamic systems simply because they work, they are profitable, they are resilient. So while farming as a whole is declining, we are increasing. Now that says everything about the resilience of our systems, both as farming systems, but also in terms of profitability and viability as farming systems. My main motivations is to always look about how to improve farming. This is really important. You know, for me, the agriculture course of Steiner's wasn't about, oh, this is a recipe book, you have to do this. Very importantly, he said, look, this is information to get you started. This is the beginning on how to understand the universe and nature and how to work with it. And Steiner was basically saying, you know, be a student and learn how to do things better. So even at this point in my life, which is almost 50 years of farming, I'm still a student and I'm still learning more. Every day, farming is this wonderful inspiration because I learn something new.